to be on me. Faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me. Cause baby, I'm on hiatus.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Beauty. Today I'm going to be bringing you guys a small haul. If you guys read the title, because I can't remember everybody that I bought from. So guys, make sure you guys are thumbsing your girl up. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you guys are sharing your girl. And then when you share your girl, share some more. Share some more. Okay, so guys, today I'm going to bring you guys, like I said, a small haul. If you guys want to see something different, please comment down below. Also, guys, I don't know where I'm gonna be able to try my clothes on it. I'm trying to find a room in the house. I've changed this room around, and as you guys can see, I have this whole system behind me, and when I stand up, you guys can't see my legs. So I don't know. I'm just gonna put up some pictures so you guys will see as I show you the items for the things that I purchased online. I'll just put up a picture of it. Okay guys, so without further ado, let me show you guys the first thing I bought this little kimono, or whatever you guys want to call it. As you guys can see, the colors, it's real long. I think I'm gonna have to get it tailored because it's so long. It drags the ground, and I don't want it to be doing that. So I have a pretty much idea what I'm gonna do with it. I bought it off of Amazon. I'm gonna also put it below, so everything that I'm showing you guys, it has a link. It will be linked below. And like I said, I'm gonna show you guys a picture of somebody trying it on, because I was sitting here trying to figure out, like, where am I gonna try this on at, and I hadn't come up with anything. So, and I don't have anybody to film me while I try it on with my vlogging camera. So that is just real long, but it's really pretty. I hope the camera is showing it the true color, and they are one size fit all. And then I went to Victoria's Secret. I had some undies I was going to show you guys, but they downstairs, and I don't want to go downstairs and get them. I purchased another bottle of Bombshell. I also got the lotion. So I'm like, together guys, put this on at bedtime when you get ready to go to bed. See, I'm speechless. It smells that good. So my next thing I'm going to bring you guys from, y'all, I'm all over the place. I'm just going to show you, I bought my cup from Starbucks. How pretty is that? Isn't that pretty? So your girl done got into Starbucks. I bought me this color, and then I bought a fuchsia color, so they can match my anesthetics in my room. So I'm just gonna keep on going with that. So I purchased some shades from Amazon. I'm gonna link these below. I can try these on for you guys. What y'all think? Cute or what? I can't remember the exact price. I think they were $11, but I'm gonna link them below. So you guys, if you want to purchase your pair, then you'll be able to do so. So that's that pair. Other thing I hate about wearing shades, guys, is when you have on your makeup and it puts that indent mark on your nose, and then it takes away some of your makeup. Oh, I hate that. But these are by this brand. I'm going to show you guys the glasses. I got like 3 pair. I got this idea from your girl Gina Janine. So I seen her try these on, and she linked them, so I went and bought them. What y'all think? Is she cute or what? Is she cute or what? Can't tell your girl. Can't nobody tell me. Exactly, nothing. Okay, so that's the silver pair. And then I'm not too fond of the gold ones, and I love gold jewelry, but I don't know what y'all think. And then when I was trying to find some that can, when I'm wearing those big lashes, so my lashes are not hitting the glasses, I was trying to find me something to Y'all, I can't figure that word out. I can't think of that word. But accommodate. Yes. Yes. Accommodate. Accommodate. Accommodate my big lashes that I like to, you know, your girl likes to wear. But these are in the gold. I don't know. I think they're going to have to grow on me. I don't know. And I got one more pair. I think these look like they're rose gold. But they look like this. What you guys think? Are they cute or no? Okay, so that's gonna be my shades that I got for you guys. It's gonna be all of the accessories that I got. So I'm gonna jump right into Shein. I purchased this shirt in white. I'm gonna also put a picture up so you guys can see what it look like. That's the front, and then this is the back, and this is a small. So I bought some before and I showed you guys, but those are huge. And this I mean, it's a major difference. This is a small. This is in color. I think it's bone. It looks white on her, but it's not. It's like an off-white, almost a light yellow is what it looked like in person. And it's also a small. I thought these would be cute because, you know, the springtime is coming up. Summertime is right around the corner. I bought this shirt from Shein. And guys, these were not expensive. And you know you can go on Retail Me Not and get you a code. It says Chicago. And put that code in there and get you a little bit of money off. Who doesn't like some money off, some coins off? And this is from Shein. I bought this shirt. Your girl loves to shine. This is a royal blue. And it hangs off the shoulder, arm sleeves, and then the back. And it feels really, really soft. Again, link will be below. And I bought this long dress. I thought it was going to be mesh, and I got it in a medium. I wish I would have got it in a small because it's a lot of stretch. And if you ladies been on Instagram, I'm sure you guys have seen this dress. Everybody's wearing this dress. So this is the front of the dress. And then this is the back of the dress. Looks like this. And then this the back. It's got those swirls. So I thought this was cute. Like I said, guys, I'm gonna have to find somewhere in my house that I can try this on. Okay, so I got this I went in store, got this from Charlotte. And these are the parachute pants I got in I think this is like an army green to me. Olive color. The legs look like that. And then, like I said, I'm gonna have to find somewhere to try it on, guys. And it has back pockets. And then this is the front. And these are in a medium. No, these are in a large. Because your girl needs all her blessings in the back to be able to fit in comfortable and nothing showing in the back. So I don't even know. As you guys can see, I'm gonna try to find a picture online. At least try to put up one picture so to give you guys some type of what it looks like on. So that's the army color. And I bought it in blue. This is real pretty. This is a sky blue. I thought this was really cute. They look the same, just a different color. I think that these would be cute too. You can dress these up or down with tennis shoes or heels or some flats. And I did get a shirt. Like, guys, I can put some outfits together, but I just gotta figure out where I can try them on, where I can get the best lighting. Because my other camera, I tried to do a video try on for you guys last week, which today is the 24th, and I had it up to go up. I'm sure you guys probably got a notice, but I had to take it down because I had a different mic. Like this is the black, and the mic had a sizzling sound to it, so I was just like, no, nobody want to listen to that. So I just took it down, but I don't want to move the mic that's in my room that I'm in now, because I have it set up and I can never set it back up like I needed to. So that's why I don't want to touch anything in this room. I want it to stay in here. But this, I got it in this color. This, what is this? Teal color blue. And the teal looks really, really good with gold. It really does. And then you get the back pockets as well. So that's that. And let's see, I think I got, yeah, I bought it in white too, but the white are downstairs, so I didn't want to hold this video up any longer. This is a mint green color. This is the front, and then this is the back of the mint green. And guys, they're not too long. They're not rubbing the ground. They do, they fit, for me, they fit perfect. Because I'm short and my pants don't drag the ground when I have on heels. But now, these you can see with the heels on. And you can see my shoes. So, I bought, y'all, Charlotte has a sale right now. Y'all need to go in the store and catch that sale. They had these shoes for $2. And you cannot beat that. This is silver and clear. So that's the back, that's the bottom. And yeah, they had different colors, but they only had 2 pair that was in my size. They had fuchsia, they had green. So I got it in black. Looks like that. That's the bottom with the clear strap. And these shoes were $2. I could not pass these up, even though I didn't need any shoes. I have shoes. But they still had some, so if you ladies want to go grab you some, go to your Charlotte store and grab you some. You can't beat it for $2. Even if you don't want it, you can always buy it and give it to somebody else as a gift. I'm always thinking about somebody else. So I went to Windsor as well. And I went in store. I'm not for sure if this is online. But I thought those rhinestones on those pins was really, really cute. And then this is the back, like that, and the shirt was $29.90, and I got it in a large. I should have got a medium, but I got a large, so I got it in pink, and I also purchased it in black with these pins. I thought this was super cute. As if I need to be buying some more stuff. Yeah, I got one more. I also have some shoes that I bought from Fashion Nova. And then these are red and they have the rhinestones on there. This is the heel. I think these are a 4.5-inch heel. That's the bottom. Other side. Then of course it's red in the inside. Guys, I thought these was cute. I also purchased them in another color. I purchased them. You guys know me and Fashion Nova have a love-hate relationship. I haven't ordered from them in a while because I want to let them get their shipping together. So I decided to try them again after 3 years to see. And I also, the shipping came fast. They came in like within I think it was like 3 days. So I like that, Fashion Nova. If you can keep your stuff up, hey, that's what we like, fast shipping. Y'all excuse the nails. I don't have my nails done. I'm giving my hand a break. My fingers were sore and they were tired and the nails were splitting. So your girl's giving her fingers a break. So you guys, I went to Nordstrom's and I purchased these rhinestone boots. And they were like $129. Look at these. How cute are these? That's the front. That's the other side. This is the back. It does have a small hidden heel up under here. I have not worn them yet. I can't move that, but it has a heel that's 4 inches. So it's either 4 or 4.5. I thought these was adore. These are so cute, guys. So yeah. But again, I got these from Nordstrom, and you can order them online. I will put a link down below for these in case someone wants to buy them. And believe it or not, your girl is through. Thank you guys for tuning in for this short haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, guys. I'm going to start trying stuff on. I know that's probably irritating to some of y'all, but like I said, I gotta find somewhere in my house. Oh, I do have one more thing to show you ladies that I think that you ladies should know. You can go on Shein and get these bags to put your units in, your hair, and it has like a little lamp so your hair doesn't get messed up. So when you're going out of town, and it has a hanger in the bag, and you just open it up like this, and you put your unit in there, and it holds it, and then you just zip it back up. I thought that was a good because I travel, so I don't like for my hair to get messed up, but so that way your hair won't get messed up, so you can use this bag for that. Okay, guys, your girl is through. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for coming back, showing your girl some love. If you guys liked anything that I purchased, let's chat below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.